Today we'll show you how to enable or fix your microphone in Facebook. Okay guys, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, now we will now open our Facebook and go to now to this here. Okay, just now we need to test this. Okay, test everything. It's okay, I think. Did you listen, guys? It's everything. It's okay. It's working. Just 1 second to enable this, and did you now listen? This test. It's okay. Okay. When I now I have a problem in microphone like this. Maybe this is microphone in our Facebook. Did you see? This is a Facebook, and this is our microphone. If you have this microphone, okay, if you don't working or something like that, just you can use F4 like this. It's now will be working. Okay guys, it's now for working. Okay, or if you don't have this and don't working, nothing. Okay, just now go to manage and go now to here and change your microphone from this to Red Dragon or your cask or your headphone or what you have the microphone. Okay, after this just click and just now do it again, and will be now enable and good microphone and working in your. This is how to fix your microphone. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.